Very good afternoon, children of class 10. Last class I was not able to upload any video and had to take a test due to some technical problem regarding my laptop and network. So today I am uploading this video and completing my last chapter on trigonometry. Now at first I'll tell you what is the Puja holiday homework. Your Puja holiday homework is exercise 25, sum number 21, 23, 24, 25. Finished. And we have completed our trigonometrical chapter. Now I am doing sum number 19 with you as my first sum. Today is my fourth application on trigonometry ratio class, and this is my sum number 1. Mohit, standing in midst of a field, observes a bird flying in his north at an angle of 30 degrees, and after 2 minutes he observes the birds at his south at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees. If the bird flies in a straight line all along at a height of 50√3 meter, find its speed in kilometer per hour. Now students, concentrate on this figure. This is Mohit, A, and this is the bird when in the north side, and this is the bird when it flew in 2 minutes to the south section, and the height it flew is 50√3 meter. So you can see two triangles have been formed, triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Suppose Mohit is standing at a point A and sees the bird at point B, that is the north point, at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees, and after 2 minutes at point C, that is the south point, at an angle of 60 degrees. The height of AD is equal to how much? That is equal to 50√3 meter. Now you see that this is creating an alternate angle. These two are the transversal line and it is creating an alternate angle. Angle BAX and angle ABD. Again there is an alternate angle with YAC and ACD. Now in triangle ACD, the smaller triangle ACD, AD by CD is equal to tan 60 degree. Now what is AD? We know AD is equal to 50√3 meter. So 50√3 meter by CD into √3. √3 get cancelled, so CD is equal to 50 meter. Now again in this triangle, in triangle BAD or ABD, whatever you take it as, AD by BD is equal to tan 30. So AD we know 50√3 meter by BD is equal to 1 by √3. So what is BD? 50 into √3 into √3. √3 into √3 is equal to 3. That is 50 into 3, that is 150 meters. Now, so we got the distance total travelled from BD to DC. That means from B to C. So distance travelled by the bird from B to C in 2 minutes. That is BD, distance of BD and distance of DC. Distance of BD is 150 meter and CD is equal to 50 meter. Now in this sum there is a trick. You can write the distance is meter by minute, but no, you have to answer it in kilometer per hour. So you change this meter into 1000, divided it by 1000, it will change to kilometer, and 2 minutes by 60 it will change to hour. Then you cancel it and it comes 6 kilometer per hour. Please copy the sum, very important sum, last sums and very important sum. Please copy the sum. I am coming with my next application. Now I am coming with sum number 20 as my second application for my last class. A person standing on a railway overbridge at a height of 5.3 meter observes an engine of a train at one side of the bridge and at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. But just after 2 seconds he observed the engine at an angle of depression of 45 degrees on the other side of the bridge. Find the speed of the train. Now look, here is the figure. Figure is very easy. He is standing on a bridge and is watching two engines. C and B are the two engines, and this has taken 2 minutes to observe. Alright, what is the height of the overbridge? 5√3 meter. Now B and C are the two engines, and here the height of the overbridge AD is equal to 5√3 meter. Now you see it has created two angle of elevation, that is angle PAB is equal to 30 degree and PAB is equal to ABD. ABD, that is 30 degree, which is alternate to angle PAB. Again angle QAC. QAC is 45 degree, which is alternate to angle ACD, that is also equal to 45 degree. And AD we know is 5√3 meter. Now two triangles are formed. Similarly, in triangle ABD, AD by BD is equal to 1030. Now, what is AD? AD is 5√3 by BD into 1 by √3. √3 into √3, that is equal to 3. 5 into 3, that is 15 meters. In triangle ACD, AD by CD is equal to 1045. AD is equal to 5√3 into CD into 1. 1 into CD is equal to 5√3. Now √3 we know is equal to 1.732 meters. So 5 into √3 means 5 into 1.732 into multiplied by 5. That we are getting 8.660 meter. Distance travelled is 2 seconds, that is CD plus DB. So what is BC? BC is equal to BD plus CD, that is 15 plus 8.66 meters, coming to 23.66 meters. Then what is the speed? Speed is obviously distance by time. Distance you got 23.66 meters and time is 2 seconds. Now your work is, I have shown, you will change it to kilometer per hour. In the previous sum I have shown you how to change it to kilometer per hour. You will change the meter to kilometer and second to, not by, you will divide it by 3600. Instead of last sum it was minute to hour, so you divide it by 60. Here it is second, so you will divide it by 3600. You calculate and your answer will be how much? Your answer will be 42.588 kilometers per hour. 42.588 kilometers per hour. Do it yourself. Alright, that much calculation you have to do it on your own. Class 10 students, I am requesting you, take your lessons very seriously and do the sums, copy the sums in your copy. Now coming with my last but not least application. Now I am solving sum number 22. That is the last sum, more or less last sum of your trigonometry problem sum. Now sum number 22. I have not copied the sum because this is a small board and so I am doing the solution part only. Here I have drawn the diagram and I am explaining. You have to explain this to the examiner. The house AB is 15 meter one side of the park and the chimney CD on the other side. So this is the house, this is the chimney, and from here from the top of the house I am watching the foot of the chimney and the top of the chimney. So the angle of depression of the foot of the chimney A from roof of the house is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from the roof of the house is 60 degree. Now horizontal line, this line A is parallel to BC and from A. So we know that AB is equal to BC. So AE is equal to BC and both equals to 15 meter. Given AB is 15 meter. So obviously EC is also 15 meter or A is also 15 meter. And A is also parallel to BC, I told you just now. And AB is equal to CE. AB is equal to CE, that is equal to 15 meter. Now angle ACE is alternate to angle ACB, that is angle EAC is equal to alternate angle ACB, that is equal to 30 degree. In angle DBC is equal to, look, DBC is equal to 60 degree. Now in triangle ABC is equal to AB by BC. AB by BC is equal to perpendicular by base, that is tan 30 degree. What is AB? AB is given over here 15 meter. 15 meter by BC, that is equal to 1 by √3. So what is BC? BC is equal to 15 √3 meter. So BC is equal to what? AE. We know that. So in triangle AED, we know if BC is equal to AE, so instead of AE, we will put the value of BC. So So AD is equal to AE equals to tan 60. So AD we don't know, but what is AE? AE is equal to BC, that is equal to 15 root 3 meters. That is BC is equal to 15 root 3 meter into root 3. That is root 3 into root 3, that is 45 meter. So the height of the chimney is, what is it? EC plus ED. EC plus ED is equal to 45 plus 15 meter, that is equal to 60 meter. And the distance of the house, that is 15 root 3 meter. 15 root 3, that is BC. Height of distance of the house from the chimney, that is BC, that is equal to 15 root 3 meter. So we have nearly completed. Now the height of the chimney, this is how much? It is 45 plus 15 meter, that is equal to 60 meter. And the distance of the house, that is already we have found 15 root 3 meter. BC is equal to 15 root 3 meter. Alright. So we have completed all the problem sums. Here this is the, in our 4 classes we have completed nearly all the problem sums. Your Puja holiday homework is 21, 23, 24 and 25, all sums that are short questions and tick marks. That is MCQ. I hope you will do 24 and 25, that is MCQ, alright. So all of you stay well and healthy during the Puja holidays. Enjoy your Puja, but don't waste time, because you have to appear for your Madhyamik examination. And we have heard, I don't know it is true or not, that very soon they will declare the day of your Madhyamik exam. So don't waste time. This puja is not for you to enjoy. Obviously you will enjoy, but you have to study also. So study, children, study a lot, take your classes seriously, practice all the trigonometrical sums done, because we have to completed the chapter on trigonometry. And when we meet, that is on 2nd November onwards, we will do revision. Thank you. Bye bye.